How to fix Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 error 142 here on your PC or on your device wherever you're playing this game. So to avoid these type of error, to solve it, what you have to do is mainly click on the Wi-Fi network connection section on the right top of your screen whenever you will click it. So the right bottom of the screen, that is a Wi-Fi network connection method. You can change your network from there, and then we will go on the browser to run a network speed test, that what is the speed we are getting right now, because it's important to get a high speed network internet connection to run these type of games. Now the last thing that is left, to restart your PC, because these type of error only occurs with your network connection or if you're facing any type of band issue or connectivity issue on your PC. So simply restart your PC from this menu, this start button on available home screen, and after that you will have to simply check that if it's happening or not. This is the video. Thanks so much.